In this video, you'll learn how to use the AI assistant in the read and explore scenario to understand a process quickly, with no modeling skills needed. To start, click on the AI Assistant button. The assistant appears on the right and offers helpful questions right away. Just click on any of the questions and get an instant answer in plain language. You can also ask your own questions, like talking to a colleague. Just type what you want to know and press enter. If you still have questions or ideas, just leave a comment for the designer. And that's it. The AI assistant helps you understand processes faster, with no expertise required. Have a look at the Adonis online help for more information.